Hello, I am Gemely Joana Córdoba Navarro. I am part of 26 group of language forms and functions course. My tutor is Angie Carolina Rojas, and this is a presentation for my final task in this course. Before to developing my topic, I want to share preconceptions. Affixes. Affixes will include prefixes and suffixes, are both morphemes. Morphemes are the smallest linguistic unit of a language with semantic meaning. In English, derivational affixes are either prefixes or suffixes. Affixes can change or can assume different names depending where is placed on the word. Is a prefix when it is put before to the word, or lexem. Is a infix where it is inside at the root or lexem, and is a suffix when it is after it is put after the word or root. These are some examples about prefixes. In this case, pre and after are meaning time. You can say is before to the word. Prearranged, presupposed, preheat, aftershock, afterthought, afterglow. And in this case, tri and multi are meaning number. And some examples about suffixes. Able is after the word. Et is after the word. And en if after the word. Okay, comfortable, possible, danced, jump, golden, and wooden. Okay, derivation then is the word formation process in which a derivational affix attached to the base form of a word to create a new word. You can see the four most common prefixes. This accounts for over 95% of prefixed words. The same way, you can see the four most common suffixes. This accounts for over 95% of suffixes words. Into this process, derivational process, suffixes can assume two functions. One function is only change the meaning the word. In this example, you can see appear and disappear. Both case the word corresponding to verb, appear, disappear, only change the meaning. Here you can see a noun, and this word is a noun too. Here you can see practical and unpractical. Every word is an adjective. That means in these examples, suffix only change the meaning of every word. The second function can be change the word class. You can say in this example preserve and preservation. This the word becomes, this is a verb, and in this way become in a noun. Okay, and then in this case this suffix is named normalizer. In the second example, we have a noun that become in a verb. Okay, in this case, this suffix is named a verbalizer. When you have a verb and this verb become in a adjective, this suffix is named an adjectivalizer. Finally, we have quick is an adjective, and when you put the suffix, this word becomes in a adverb. For this reason, this this suffix is named a verbalizer. Okay, this is the way that we can build new words. If you want know more about this topic, you can visit this reference and know more about this topic. Thank you for watching.